first day of the BMC's vaccination drive for senior citizens and those above 45 years with comorbidities saw total chaos at vaccination centers. This was in total contrast with the civic body's efforts elsewhere in the city to control crowding through stiff measures. Social distancing was tossed out the window as many elderly citizens who are more susceptible to the infection waited at registration counters of vaccination centers across Mumbai. In most places, computer systems remained non-operational till noon. While many decided to stay put, potentially risking themselves, others returned without a jab. As many citizens waiting for the vaccination remained confined to limited spaces, civic officials seemed to give up on the situation. The only saving grace, however, was a mask on everyone's face. Midday heard a few concerned senior citizens telling each other that the pandemic was not over yet and such crowds should not have been allowed in the first place. Officials said that they were helpless in the absence of a working system. While citizens blamed the BMC for what they called an avoidable mess, civic officials said their appeals for social distancing fell on deaf ears and that they could not be stern with aged visitors. While officials and security staff were leaving an empty chair between two people, authorities said that they had to compromise with the seating arrangement as it was difficult for many senior citizens to stand for long. However, doctors at the vaccination centers said that COVID-appropriate behavior was followed. A senior BMC official said that since it was the first day, they couldn't take action against senior citizens. He also maintained that authorities were doing their job of asking people politely to maintain social distancing and also said that the CoWIN app glitches caused most of the problems because of which people had to wait. Curb the spread of the disease, the BMC had been slapping cases against people for roaming without masks and raiding various event halls. But the vaccination centers on 1st March were a clear irregularity. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.